In this week's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 key ingredients to creating your own business sponge when making your own Victoria sponge. For the best advice on how to build your business with your family, subscribe to my channel to be notified of a new video every Tuesday. If you'd like to be part of a supportive community, come join our Facebook community, where we do a deep dive on each week's video. You get early access to that video and you have a chance to have your questions answered by myself or those in the community. By liking and sharing this video, we give those in our communities who may be thinking about this topic an opportunity to engage. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. The business sponge is the platform on which everything is built. When you look at a Victoria sponge, it's that bottom sponge on which everything else lays. So it's important that this is built with great solidity so it can hold your family and your family sponge. What I'm about to share with you now is the questions and the ingredients which I look for with my clients and how I work with my family around what we are trying to achieve with a business. By including these 3 key ingredients in your business, you'll be able to create your own business sponge as part of your family and yours Victoria sponge. So the first key ingredient in creating your business sponge is being clear about what you want your business to look like. Now let's be really honest here. We've all seen Victoria sponges which don't necessarily have a round base when they were intended to do so. So like all good sponge bases, but especially true of your business, be clear what you want the business to look like when you're done. Because nothing worse than having a square Victoria sponge base when you were looking for a round one. The second key ingredient to building your business sponge base and building your business is to be really clear about how you want the business to behave. Now, when we talk about behaviors, we're talking about values, core principles, and behaviors. How you show up, how you and your business behave with your clients and anyone external and internal to your world. That way you create and add to the base of your business the right ingredients, the true ingredients that are you. Just like building the base of a Victoria sponge, only the best ingredients. And the third key ingredient to building that business sponge, business base, and building your business is being clear about how you are going to go and make this business, how you're going to make this base. That's about processes, controls, but as much about decision making and all the bits and elements that make the business work. Now, to be clear, a great cake base without a recipe becomes an absolute mess. So what you need to create a great business and a great base with your business sponge is a plan, but also the controls and processes that support that in a way that works for you. Please see in the comments below a PDF designed to help you create your own Victoria sponge. If you like this video, please see my other videos on creating your own Victoria sponge and 4 minutes to an effective plan. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.